Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is Bharat. This is going to be a special video. We're going to learn basic Git commands in just 15 minutes. Yeah, it's true. So what is Git in first place? Well, Git is a distributed version control system which saved the lives of many developers from near death. Yeah, it's so true. So who created this lifesaver? It's Linus Torvald. For the guys who don't know who he is, he's the principal developer of Linux kernels. After him, many great developers have contributed to Git, but he's the initiator. I think the introduction is pretty much enough. Let's see how Git will save your hard work from getting messed up. So before that, for the guys who haven't installed the Git yet, this is the procedure. Go to git-sem.com and download the binary installer for your respective system. In case of Linux based systems, you can directly install it in the terminal using apt package manager by using this command install git-all. So by using this command you can install the Git. So this is pretty much basic, so I'm not going to use this now. So let's jump right into it and learn some basic Git commands. So let's start by creating a directory in desktop. So cd desktop and create a directory called git demo, and let's cd into that git demo. Sorry. So now we will initialize the Git in this directory by using a command of Git called git init. So you can see initialize an empty Git repository in home Boltzmann desktop Git in our directory git demo. So let's see the status of the Git. You can see the status of the Git by using this git status command. So you are on the branch master and no commit set, nothing to commit. So the terms here, branch and commit, I will explain you this in a while. Now let's launch the Atom editor from here. Yeah, we just launched the Atom from the terminal. We will create a hello world file here, maybe a C++ file. Now just let me write a simple hello world program here. IOStream using namespace standard int main, basic C++ return 0. This may not be a necessary thing, but yeah, I love to do it. And yeah, see out hello world. Let's see how to let's compile and see whether it's working or not. I am going to use GCC compiler and object flag, and I want an output like this, and I will link this standard C++ library. Yeah, here you can see our output file, our executable file is created. You can also see it here. See, now let's run this executable. Hello world. So it's working fine. So we just initialized the Git in this repository called git demo. and we created a file, hello world.cpp, and compiled it, and by compiling it we created this executable hello world. So now we will see the git status. The git status says that well, I will just clear and show you the git status again. So the git status says that there are two files that should be staged. That means that these two files should be added to the git to track them for the future, in the future. So we don't need the executable to be tracked. So for that we'll just, if you want everything to be tracked, you can use this command git add, and you can use the star. If you want a specific file to be tracked, you can just specify the name of that file by this. In this way you can track only that hello world.cpp, or you can use any regular expression things like you only want to track the files with extensions .cpp. You can do this way, or HTML, any other thing. But in real world projects there will be hundreds of files with different extensions, so adding them like this is really a cumbersome problem. So there is another solution for this. You should use a gitignore file. You should create a gitignore file here. I will just create it using the nano editor .gitignore. I think the spelling is wrong here. Yeah. I just created the .gitignore file here. I will add my I will add the extensions which I don't need, like I don't want to add files with .out extension into my git. I don't want the executable hello world to be tracked. If you are using VS Code will generate a temporary .vs code file. You can also make it to ignore. You can also make it to ignore that, and you can save it and click exit it. Now by clicking by using this command, you will be adding only the hello world.cpp to our git. So we initialized git in this git demo repository. We created a C++ file, then we added that C++ file to git, then we will commit that file. So what is commit? Commit is a checkpoint. After committing, if you mess up with your code, by using a simple command you can revert back. For example, I will show you how to commit in the first place. For committing, you should use this command git commit, and with the flag -m, that means a message, and give your message like initial command, initial commit. So you can see here you're on the branch master, and this is your commit message, in which one file is changed and there are 8 insertions. That means you are added 8 lines here. So after committing, if you mess up with this code, for example, you added an vector here v, and you some push back some like 12 or anything, and you saved it, you went to the terminal, you compiled it, boom, there is an error. Somehow you messed up with that. So this is looking like so lame, but in the real world projects you don't know where you messed up. So in that cases you can just revert back to your previous commit by using these commands git reflog. This will show you the the code of the commits you have made. This is a unique ID of the commit you have made. Just copy this unique ID and use this command git reset -- hard and paste that unique ID there, and boom, your entire repository will be reverted back to the previous commits. This is awesome, right? Now that you have you got to know what is commit, let's see what is a branch. Suppose you want to add a new feature to this project, like adding a Makefile. Create a new branch from the branch you're working on, and then you can start adding this Makefile to that branch. I will just show you that. So to create a branch from this branch, just use this command git branch and give the name of the branch you want to branch it. So I will name it as add Makefile, and you should check out to that branch by using this command git checkout and enter. Now you successfully switched the branch to add Makefile. So if you see the git status, I will just clear it once again. It says that you are on the branch add Makefile. In the previous case, it said you are on the branch master. Now we are on the branch add Makefile. So yeah, now add a Makefile. Create a new branch, add a Makefile here, and write a recipe. Well, target is hello world, and the dependencies are hello world.cpp, and you should just give your compilation code there, like .cpp object hello world -l standard C++ library. I think you added your Makefile. Now just make sure that your Makefile is working fine. First of all, before that, remove this hello world executable which you created in the previous manner, and just type make. So as you can see, this code executed and created this executable again. Now let's see the git status. We have a Makefile here, and files under the gitignore domain. Just add this Makefile again. Now see the git status. See, the new file Makefile is added here. If you don't want, if you added any other files which you don't want, you can just use this command git reset head and that file name. By doing this, you can unstage it to the back, unstage it back to that normal way. So after this, now let me see the git status again. Yeah, now you added a new file. Just commit the file by giving a message added Makefile. Now you have changed it in one file and made 2 insertions, and a new file Makefile is created there. So as you can see, on this branch we have created the Makefile, and Makefile is working fine. So this feature is added. So if you want to match this feature to the master branch, so you just need to check out to the master branch first. So you use the command git checkout master, and you switch it to the master branch. Now you can also see that our Makefile is gone here, because we created the Makefile in add Makefile branch. So you just need to merge that add Makefile to the master, then you can again see the Makefile here. So git merge command is used to merge the branches. So add Makefile is that branch, and click on that. So as you can see, we have merged the master branch and the add Makefile branch successfully. So yeah, this is the end of this video. Hope you like it. So from now, if you don't use Git, don't call yourself as a programmer. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel, Love Engineering. Bye.